In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find working Deliveroo discount codes. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Deliveroo website. You can do this by typing deliveroo.co.uk into the address bar and hitting enter. Once the page loads, you'll see options to either sign up or log in if you already have an account. This step is crucial because you need to be logged in to apply any discount codes to your Deliveroo orders. If you're already a member, go ahead and log in. If not, take a moment to sign up and create an account. Once you're logged in, it's time to hunt for those discounts. Open a new tab in your browser and perform a search for working Deliveroo coupon codes. I recommend using a reliable search engine like Google or Brave for this. As you look through the results, try to find one that's recently updated or seems credible. For today's demonstration, let's choose Glamour UK, as they often provide a list of current deals and promotions that are worth checking out. Upon clicking into Glamour UK's discount code page, browse through the list of available discounts. You'll want to find the best offer that suits your needs, whether it's a percentage off your order, free shipping, or a first-time customer offer. Once you've decided on a deal, you'll notice an option to Get Coupon right next to it. Clicking this will typically lead you to a new page that either displays the code or directs you to the Deliveroo site. This is where you need to pay attention because usually the code appears in a small pop-up window or a highlighted section of the site. You'll want to click on Copy next to the discount code. Doing this will copy the code to your clipboard so you can easily paste it later when you're ready to make a purchase on Deliveroo. Now, sometimes you'll see an option labeled Copy and Go to Shop. Clicking this button is quite handy because it not only copies the code, but also redirects you back to Deliveroo's website. You're now equipped with a discount code saved right on your clipboard, ready to be applied to your next delicious Deliveroo order. Back on the Deliveroo site, select the meals or items you want to order, proceed to checkout, and paste the coupon code into the appropriate discount code field provided. Then, just sit back and let the savings roll in. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to find and use working Deliveroo discount codes, making your next meal that much more satisfying without breaking the bank. Thanks for tuning in and happy dining.